Hey guys, we're participating with our collab group and we're taking you to Indonesia. And the dish that we're going to be making is called Soto Ayam. It's a popular chicken noodle soup. Don't forget to check out their other content creators in the description box down below. They have created some other awesome recipes just for you. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first we're going to start with our chicken thighs, and we're going to put just a couple tablespoons of vegetable oil in the pan, and we're just going to cook these, just give it a little bit sear for a couple minutes on each side. And I'm just going to add a little bit of salt on here, and I'm leaving the skin on to kind of help give it some flavoring. I'm going to add some pepper, and we're going to go ahead and flip our chicken. A little bit more salt and pepper on here. Okay, so while the chicken is cooking, we're going to go ahead and prepare our ingredients for a homemade stock. I'm just going to cut a shallot. I'm just going to scrape off the skin to this actually. Okay, we're going to just cut some of this ginger. We're going to hit the ends of the lemongrass. Kind of help release some of the flavor. And removing the outer leaf to it. I'm just going to break it apart a little bit, open it up, and we're going to just add our water. We're going to place our ginger, lemongrass, a couple cloves of garlic, and we're going to let this come to a boil, and then we're going to simmer it for about 45 minutes or until the chicken is done cooking. Okay, so while the stock and the chicken are boiling, we're going to take some ginger. We're going to go ahead and make the paste. And I'm just going to cut this up, the ginger. I'm going to put this in our processor. I'm just going to take the outside leaf off again of the lemongrass. And I'm just going to cut this up as well. We're going to place the lemongrass in here. We're going to take some fresh turmeric. Place that in there as well. And we're just going to take our shallots and just kind of cut them in half. And those will go into our processor. And let's go ahead and break open the garlic. And into the processor it goes. Now I'm going to add some ground cumin. And we're going to add some ground coriander and some black peppercorns. And we're just going to add some water. And let's go ahead, close this, and we're going to blend it. All right, we're going to go ahead and set the paste off to the side in a little bowl. Okay, so now that the chicken is done boiling, we're going to just place it on our cutting board and bring it on over there so we can cut it up. As you see, the chicken is piping hot, so we're going to have to let this cool, but I can go ahead and probably remove some of the skin. And I'm just going to pull the chicken from the bone. It should come right off. It's nice and tender. Okay, so after you pull the meat from the bone, we're going to let this cool some more. Okay, so we're going to take our stock and skim any oil or fat from the top of it. Any extra that you see. All right, and we're just going to strain the stock from the ingredients that we cooked it with. Okay, so we're going to take that paste that we made. I'm just going to put it here, and we're just going to cook it through some, about a couple minutes. Okay, and then we're going to take some unsweetened coconut milk and stir it around a little bit. Just kind of gonna add just a little bit. All right, now we're gonna add our broth. We're gonna let this cook for a couple minutes. All right, we're gonna sprinkle some salt in here. And we're just, now the chicken's cool, we're just gonna cut it up some. All right, look at all these wonderful, tasty ingredients. We're ready to assemble. Okay, so who's ready to assemble the Soto Ayam? Okay, so now we're gonna take our vermicelli rice noodles and we're gonna place some in the bowl. A bowl for me, a bowl for my husband. Okay, and we're gonna top it with some our nice chicken. And I just cooked the vermicelli noodles for like, 3 minutes? 2 to 3 minutes. And the bean sprouts, I cooked these for 2 minutes and then I cooled them in cold water, ran cold water over them. So that way it stops the cooking process. And we're gonna put our egg on here, tomato, some lime. We're gonna top it with some celery leaves, green onion, and let's put our chicken broth. Okay, so what do you guys think? Do you like this recipe? We got our chopsticks and I can't wait to dig in. If this video was at all helpful to you, I ask that you give us a thumbs up and press that like button. Comment down below, are you gonna try this recipe? Don't forget to check out our other international dishes. We got the char siu recipe over here, and we also have our Lebanese hummus right here.